How to connect with your Orisha. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Yoruba Life TV. We are going to explore a deeply enriching topic today, how to connect with your Orisha. Whether you are just starting your spiritual journey or looking to deepen an existing relationship with an Orisha, this video is for you. Connecting with your Orisha is a beautiful and personal journey. Let's dive into some effective ways to foster that connection. First and foremost, it's essential to know your Orisha, to know who your Orisha is. Each Orisha has unique attributes, stories, and energies. Take some time to research and learn about them. You might feel drawn to a specific Orisha based on your experiences, personality, or life circumstances. Ask yourself, which Orisha resonates with me? This understanding will lay the foundation of a deeper connection. Next, consider creating a sacred space, otherwise known as shrine, dedicated to your Orisha. This doesn't have to be elaborate, just a small space where you can focus your energy and intentions. Include items that represent your Orisha, like the images or symbols. You can also add offerings items such as fruits or other items that your Orisha loves. This space will serve as a focal point for your prayers and rituals. Regular communication is key. Talk to your Orisha as you would with a friend. Share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. You can do this through prayer and meditation. Then, try setting aside a few minutes each day to sit in silence and connect. You might be surprised by the insight or feelings that come to you during these moments. Learning the appropriate rituals and offerings for your Orisha is another vital step. Each Orisha has specific traditions associated with them, and honoring these can deepen your connection. Research the types of offering that resonate with your Orisha. This could include food items or even specific songs and dances. Participating in these rituals can help you feel more connected. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from experienced practitioners or join a community of like-minded individuals. Engaging with others can provide support, wisdom, and shared experience. Consider participating in a community or online forums where you can learn and share your journey with others. Lastly, trust your intuition. Your connection with your Orisha is a personal one, and it will be unique to you. Pay attention to signs, feelings, or messages you receive. Your Orisha can communicate in ways that resonate with you specifically. Thank you for joining me today to explore how to connect with your Orisha. Remember, this journey is about building a relationship, so be patient and open to the experiences that unfold. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into Yoruba spirituality. Until next time, keep seeking, keep growing, and embrace your spiritual journey. Bye and get a better life. Bye for now.